Hey there, it's me, Whitchurch Muthumani. I've got a very interesting update for today. For in this update, I was able to set up the robot to be able to respond to what is seen by the laptop camera. Okay, so that's about it. The robot will respond to what it sees in the laptop camera. So that's about it. Alright, so let me show you my setup first. This is the setup. So here you got the robot, and please take a note at the color of this LED. It's now green. Okay, so I'm going to change the color of the LED say based on what the laptop camera sees. So like that was a way for me to ensure that there's a communication that exists between the robot and the laptop camera. So here I've already set things up, and my camera is actually running and it's recording what it sees in the screen, and it's doing a classification like based on what it sees. Okay, so now it's just doing a generic classification running through all the classes. But now I'll show you something interesting. All right, so let me set up. Okay, I think there's no need to do anything. Okay, fine. So now let me show this ruler. So let me show the scale in front of the laptop camera, and you'll see what happens to the controller. Okay, I show it here, and look, it changed the color to green. I mean, it changed the color to red. So I set up the program in such a way that whenever the computer camera sees a ruler, it changes the color of the LED to red. Now, what do we do next? Let me take this calculator. I set up the program such that when the laptop camera sees the calculator, it will change this color back to green. Okay, I'm taking this thing in front, and look, when it saw the calculator, it changed the color to green. Now once again, let me take the ruler. All right, let me show it in the front of the laptop camera. Look, it changed the color to red. So there you have it, folks. I was able to successfully link the computer vision fed through the camera's laptop, send it to the robot by using a service, okay, ROS service, and I was able to get my robot to respond. It was quite challenging because I had to mix like the robot's API calls. I had to mix those calls with ROS, and I had to learn like what is a ROS service, so that you send a request and you get a response, right? So that paradigm had to be implemented. All these cool things were done in this project. So that's about it. So once again, just for fun, let me show the remote control. Let's see if the color of the robot's LED changes back to green. Cool, man. It did. This is a lot of fun. Okay, now let me try with the scale once again and see if we can change it back to red. How about that? Perfect.